Hi everyone. The name is Rumembo Protect TV. Today we are about to do something in the channel. The channel has been for a very long time and it is now growing up for us to get into our monetization threshold. All we have to do is, when you are a new person coming to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, put your comment of whatever you want to do of. Now this channel here provide online tech, and in the online tech it talks about how to make money online. It means especially making a passive income in the internet which doesn't pay you much. Making money in the internet has been something tough and it's hard for everybody, and people are struggling. A lot of people have been into this internet more than years and more than days now, but they did not make money out from it. But I am here telling you today that I want you to make a lot of money from the internet. Now, how do we earn money from the internet, and how is it even possible? Now, this internet can help you to make a lot of money by becoming an influencer. An influencer is someone who influences people into something for their likeness. Now, for example, what I am doing right now, I set a camera on my face talking to you. I am right directly being an influencer to you to come into my YouTube channel and let me have a traffic in it. And this particular thing I'm doing is going to pay me for it. Now, for example, the social media platforms are plenty. We have a lot of social media platforms that are giving monetization program. This monetization program, what is it? Monetization is for you to earn money from your content. The content is what you are doing in that particular website or social media platform, in that particular platform. And it begins from blogging, which is creating of website of your own. You post ads and a lot of things that it will get to a time that you'll be posting ads in your which is your website, so that you'll be earning from it. When you reach some threshold, Google AdSense will let you monetize your website. And we are not to talk of that today. Today we are talking of something very interesting. If you are a new YouTuber as I am, and if you are struggling a lot of things and you want to make money from the internet to help yourself have bundle and a lot of things to grow your channel, then just open your ears, grab a popcorn and sit with me here, and let's all go together. Now, let's go for break and come, and we are going to continue.
If you own a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Jibo Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Jibo Tech TV. If you own a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered.
Welcome back. We are continuing. Now, what I was talking of is, now you want to earn this money. All you have to do is, first, how do I get people to do taxes for me? And earning of money online is about doing taxes, and these taxes involve a lot of people. In every website or platform that you get yourself into, you have to get more people to earn money from it, and that's one of the easiest way you can be getting money into your website, and you can redeploy it. The threshold of redeploying is always high, so you have to involve people, which we call the affiliate program. Now, you've been watching a lot of people talk of affiliate marketing, affiliate program, affiliate this marketing. What is it even about? When we talk about affiliate simple means sharing or making a market for a particular product and earn a commission from it. For example, I am a YouTuber and I post my videos. You share the video out and the video went viral. They pay me, and I also pay you a commission out from the video you shared. You've been an affiliate marketer to me. So you've marketed my videos and you've earned a commission from. That's what we call affiliate marketer. So in this affiliate marketing, that is all based in an online jobs. So now, even in these online jobs you have been doing, all depend on that. Even if it is school or scholarship things, they'll ask you to bring more. The number of people you bring, the number of money you earn out from it, you'll be earning a commission from it. So first and furious, before you can start getting all these people, you have to get yourself into this social media. For example, where you can begin fast to get audience is from TikTok. Now, Facebook is reliable. Facebook has gotten a monetization program in Ghana, some of the African countries, especially most of the West African countries are eligible. For example, I am in Ghana. Ghana is not eligible in Facebook monetization. And now, all you have to do is to create your Facebook account. Make it a professional account. I'll make videos about that. If you don't know how to do it, just put it in the comment section. I'll make videos on that. Now we are going to be uploading videos every day. Every new update videos are going to come. This channel has been down all just because I'm busy attending to my staff and a lot of things. That's why. And if you know it's also delaying, it's boring, you are not into making money, you want movies and a lot of things to watch and you become happy. I have a channel where we post, or it's a blogging channel, but we post videos and a lot of interesting things there, which is called, I just forgot the channel name. It's someone's own. The person told me to talk about it, so later on I'll put the link of that channel into it. Still, if you do not get it, you can put it in the comment section. So create TikTok account, create Facebook account, and create YouTube account. In creating of this account, make sure you make them a professional way that when you upload a video, you can earn something from it. That is the first aim of creating this account before you now start selling your things or your product. Now, in creating this TikTok account, all you have to do is make sure you create UK, US, or Canada account. Creating this account will allow you to monetize your videos and you earn a commission out from it. Going live is not that easy. When you go live, it's not all people that will gift you, and it's not all people that will come and gift you roses and a lot of things. But when you create this UK or US account, they'll be paying you money according to your views, and you have to get some threshold. So make sure you are targeting that money first. So your content you are going to create, make sure you are passionately into it. You love that thing you are to do, and people that are going to jump into it, you do something out of your way. You are not doing it just for the sake of the money. Make sure you have love for what you are to do. So you should know the particular thing you know how to do much. The first day I was to create my TikTok account, I was preaching, and I got to a time that preaching has been a stress to me. Even though I love church, I don't get a chance, so I have to create it in that particular days. Within some less days, I've reached 1,000 followers. You see, but that one, because I was not getting the chance to do it well, it took me many months before I even reached 1,000. But TikTok has been something where I sell my product and a lot of links and things. I'll just talk about things. People will just come into my DM and we'll talk. So for all you have to do is to get these platforms, try to grow them. Now make sure you are submitted to them. All the time you visit there, you put a lot of things. Make sure you get crowd in it. And now the next thing is you find a website that pays. For example, a website that pays you money. Which website are we even talking of here? Now you can go into Amazon and apply for their Amazon affiliate market link. Now you sell product there. Tell them you are selling product anywhere across the nations. They will do delivery. All you have to do is someone to use your link to purchase a product, and they'll pay the money direct into your account. So in doing the affiliate, when the link comes, you'll be setting your payment settings and all those things into it. They'll pay you directly into your account. And that is one. And a lot of websites are there that will ask you to perform taxes and share your link for people to pay you. Now, and we have this platform that is also giving you money when you are trying to trade with them. Trading with them is just like selling a social media followers, views, and a lot of things to people. I don't love doing that. I want to grow my channel with much possible. But if you know you are interested, you can hit me, because I have an account in that I'll be selling a lot of people. If you know you are a new YouTuber and you want to make such money, just hit me. But all you have to do is get YouTube account, make sure you make video and set that particular thing you are telling, put the links and everything into it. That is how a lot of people make money out from it. Others sell pictures and things. All you know you can do is tell people you are this person, you can do this, this is what I'm selling. When you are interested, you show them your location and a lot of things, people come to buy. Thank you for always watching this. Thank you for always coming to my channel to watch my videos. You are blessed and you are highly welcome again. If you know you are a new person watching this video, please highly subscribe to this channel, hit off the thumbs up and give us a like to this, and now put your comment at the comment section. We'll meet again, and this is not the last and this is not the least. We are always going to meet new updates. You are welcome.